Right, this is an old Kenmore 110 dryer that has this style where you want to get it open by hitting two screws right here in the top. You can't drop those in there, so it's easy to just add that. You'll never get them out if you drop them in there. This one's already unplugged, so you're not hearing the squeak, but a month ago I took this apart just to add ceramic grease for like car brakes just to see how that would work, and it worked for a month. In the case of these particular design, you can just say put your knee here and pull on the back, and you will get around these little clips holding it on the top to the midsection. Flip that over, then under here there's going to be two screws. Take it off. I've got a little Klein multi-tool that can handle that just fine. Now these multi-tools don't screw into the metal, they screw into a little clip, or these screws don't screw into the metal, they screw into a little clip. Just inside, since I'm taking the face of this off, I'm going to take off my plug. Now I know the squeak is coming from the idler pulley because it was in here before. Put that ceramic grease on there. There's the ceramic grease that I put in there before. And the reason I tried that is one, that it's non-sticky grease, so that if you do have a problem with it coming back, you're not going to have a problem with it coming back because all the lint builds up on your grease. Now this guy's ready to come forward, except there are two little clips down here. And all they are is that little hook shape mates into a hole. When you're putting it back on, you just want to push this flush, and I find it really easy to lift one, put it in place, then do the other. So in this case, the idler pulley is a kind of outdated version that has a glide instead of an actual pulley. So idler pulley, it's just not correct. It's more tensioner. This glide slides along the fabric side of the belt. And for whatever reason, I've been told that these don't squeak, they don't wear and squeak, but this one's doing it, and I suppose it's probably not because there's a chemical difference between the worn out section and the non-worn out section, but more because this groove is allowing the sides to rub, and that's caused a squeak. So what I actually want to try this time is this ceramic grease is cutting off these sides, put it back in there. We'll see how that works.